Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we discuss about CMD commands like command prompt, basic commands which useful for check our system information, or you can change your command prompt color, your change can change your command prompt title and many more things. So first open command prompt, or go to search bar and search for CMD. Now first start with our first command, that is how to change our location, or we can change our drive. So first go for that. First we can do cd slash d and then drive name, or we can direct use drive name and colon and enter. You use both this command, you can use this one as well as this one. And next first, and then check our list of the all file are present in our current directory, that is dir, and enter. That all the file and folder are present in our directory as listed, and the size also we have that size. Here we have that two files, we have that one text.txt, and we have gossipfunda.txt, and other 9 directory means folder. So this is that Python, Mercury, Java, HTML, practice, gossipfunda 1, gossipfunda, C++, these all are directory or folder. Okay, now let's see that how can we open our file. First check the file. So for open our file, just type the file name with his extension, like text.txt. I want to open this text.txt, so for that type text.txt and enter. It open the file. Okay, now cut, and for change our directory, suppose I want to go into that gossipfunda directory. So this colon and slash is the path of our current working directory. So then change cd and then gossipfunda, here we can see that we are in gossipfunda. Let's move back to our again drive, previous drive. For that we can use cd space dot dot to go back. Now check the system information, that our system information. For that system system and that info. Okay, system info, system info, for check our system information. All like we can say that which model we use, which version of OS we use it. So all this name, that host name is Mercury and I use the OS name is Windows 10, the version is 10, and the manufacturer, all these are registered name. All these are the system, all full information of our PC. And let's change this path name. Suppose you want to change this name, that e dot slash. So for that you can use prompt space and then whatever you can give here, it display here. Suppose I give prompt $hacker, enter. I hope it not shown. So again change prompt, it's so hacker, yeah, the hacker. Okay, now again you want to change again in another name, or you can say you go back to your default setting. For that you only write the prompt and enter, it change to default. Now let's change the font color. Okay, for font color type color color help. Here you can see all this color. So if you want to change any of this color, like you want to go for red, so you can type here color 4 and enter. It's change into red. Again color, we go for gray, color 8, enter. It's change into gray. If you want to come back your default color, then only type color and enter. It come back to your default color. Now change our prompt name, this prompt name, that are in top of this command prompt. We have that command prompt. So for change this command prompt, like write title and give that, I was supposed to give mercury, enter. Is change into mercury. And for exit command prompt, we use exit. We can use also this close button, but we can also type command for exit our command prompt. It is exit. If you press exit and then enter, it close. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.